This is the SparkBuster safety coil for metal cutting applications. It is an attachment that fits on regular angle grinders from the same family as the Hurricane for grinding and sanding concrete and the Cyclone for cutting and chasing on concrete. Uniquely, the SparkBuster has a spring-loaded retractable blade cover, which is a mandatory requirement when using a toothed blade. In the following video you will see how the SparkBuster is both faster and safer than the alternative of using an unguarded carborundum slitting disc on an angle grinder where showers of sparks are the norm. For more information, search SparkBuster on our website. Our website is sunrisetools.co.uk, but do call us or email if you require advice or assistance.